This video is going to show you how to create, delete, archive, or copy a Google Classroom. So the first thing once you sign into Google Classroom is it will show you any classes you've already made up here. If you haven't used Google Classroom before, you'll have a blank white screen instead of these classroom tiles like what I have. To create a class, you come up to the addition sign over here and click Create Class. In this section, you have to put the name. You can also include the section, a subject, and your room number. Then click Create. Once the class is created, it automatically brings you to the class page and it will show you your class code. This is the code that you can give to students so that they can join your class. Now, if we come back to that main page by clicking Classes in the left-hand menu, you can see now that I have that test class I just created that doesn't have any students. If you decide you don't need this class, you can first archive it. So notice I clicked these three dots, the vertical ellipsis up here in the right-hand corner, and I come down here and click Archive. Archiving puts it in your archive folder. You access that by coming to the menu button and then coming down to Archived Classes. You can archive classes at the end of the year so that they won't be on your main page for the next school year. You can also, if you want to delete a class, you can send it to archive. And now, if I click on my ellipsis, I have the option to restore it or delete it. So if I want to get rid of it forever, I can click delete. If I come back to that home page where my classes are, notice that I also had the option to copy. So for instance, let's say I archived this class because it's the end of the school year. Now when I come back the next school year, let's say I'm teaching that same exact class again, just with different students. I can come to my archived class and I can click copy. And what that is going to do is it's going to create a copy of that class with all of the classwork, any notes, any handouts, anything that I put into that class, it's going to copy into a new class. It just won't copy the student information.